Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the Fono guy. In this video we're talking about the latest Huawei flagships. Huawei launched Nova 6 series. They launched two smartphones in the Nova series, Nova 6 and the Nova 6 5G. Beautiful punch hole display and the 40-watt fast charging. Amazing phone. After months of leaks and teasers, Huawei finally unveiled its Nova 6 lineup. The star of the show is the Nova 6 5G, which brings an oval punch hole display alongside the flagship's Kirin 990 chipset and a portrait triple camera setup. There are also the standard Nova 6 which come with an identical design but skip on the 5G connectivity and a slightly smaller battery. We also got a mid-range Nova 6 which pack a quad camera setup, Kirin 810, a large 4200 mAh battery. Both the Nova 6 and its 5G variant pack a 6.5 7-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with an oval punch hole in the top left corner. The cutout houses dual camera setup with a 32 megapixel main shooter and 8 megapixel ultra wide secondary sensor, which brings 105-degree field of view. The right-handed side houses the fingerprint scanner, which also serves as the power button. Going around the back, we have a 40 megapixel main camera alongside 8 megapixel telephoto module with OIS and 8 megapixel ultra wide shooter. Under the hood, we have the flagship Kirin 990 chipset, which is paired with the Belong 5000 5G modem. On the Nova 6 5G, RAM come with 8GB standard, while storage range between 128GB and 256GB. On the software front, we have Android 10 with EMUI 10 on the top. The Nova 6 comes with a 4100 mAh battery, while the 5G version get a boost to 4200 mAh. Both phones come with a 40-watt Huawei supercharge support. The Nova 6 5G will cost for Chinese yuan 3,799, which equal the $540 in its 8GB RAM and 128GB storage version, while the 8GB RAM and 256GB version will set to buy back is the Chinese yuan 4,199 yuan, the equal $595. The standard Nova 6 start the Chinese yuan 3,199 equal the $454 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Pre-order starts later today, while officially sales are scheduled to begin on December 12. Huawei also introduced the Nova 6 SE, which is the mid-range offering standard. At the front, we get a 6.4-inch FHD LCD panel with a punch hole cutout for its single 16-megapixel selfie cam. Like the two other Nova 6 module, the SE has a side-mounted fingerprint reader. The back houses a quad camera with a setup with 48-megapixel main unit, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and two 2-megapixel module depth and macro cameras. Under the hood, we have the Kirin 810 chipset paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The battery comes in the 4200 mAh while maintaining the 40-watt Huawei supercharge support. The Nova 6 will go for the Chinese yuan 2,199 equal the $315 on its 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Pre-order starting today and the official sales scheduled for December 12. So that's it for now. In this video, this is the full information about the latest Huawei Nova lineup. Comment below which version you most like it, and like this video for more tech video. Subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.